What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to resize images in Photoshop. And I'm not talking about the zoom where you zoom in on a photo to make it look bigger in the app. I'm talking about changing the actual size of the image. To do so, you want to go to the image option here and go to the image size. Here you can see that the size of the image in centimeters, but I want to make it pixels because we deal with size of photos in pixels. As you can see, that's the size of the photo here. I want to make it smaller if I want to save it with a smaller size, so I can make it this number like 2000. And as you can see, the width and the height also change. That's because this chain is marked. That way the proportions of the photo will stay the same. So I'll increase or decrease by tapping and dragging to the left and to the right. And once I'm happy with the size that I want, I can go ahead and tap OK to apply the settings and then save the image if I want to.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.